Hello students, welcome to Saurabh's classes. Today we'll be solving the ISI Mmath question paper from year 2016. Today we'll be solving the question number 11 from the paper. So let's begin. In question number 11 it is said that Ravi asked his neighbor to water a delicate plant while he is away. Without water, the plant would die with probability 4 by 5. Okay, and with water it would die with a probability of 3 by 20. So the probability that Ravi's neighbor would remember to water the plant is also given, and that is equal to 9 by 10. Now if the plant actually died even after all this watering, or after telling his neighbor, the plant actually died. So we need to find out the probability that Ravi's neighbor actually forgot to water the plant. This is an interesting question. So it has been said that Ravi asked his neighbor to water his plant, and the probability that the plant will die without water is 4 by 5, and even after water it would die, that has a probability of 3 by 20. And there is also a probability that Ravi's neighbor would remember to water the plant, that is 9 by 10. If the plant actually died, then what is the probability that Ravi's neighbor forgot to water the plant? Okay, so what we can do over here is that we'll first assume two events. Let A and B be two events such that the event A will denote the event where the plant dies, and the event B will be the event where Ravi's neighbor remembers to water the plant. So these are two events that we have defined. Now we'll try to solve the problem. Now the probability that we are looking for is that Ravi's neighbor forgot to water the plant and the plant died. So what is that event? So we have already defined event B as the event where Ravi's neighbor remembers to water the plant. So the event that Ravi's neighbor forgot to water the plant will be given by B complement, and the event that a plant dies is given by A complement A. So the probability of the event that we are looking for will be the probability that Ravi's neighbor forgot to water the plant, BC, subject to the condition that a plant dies. So that will be given by probability of B complement upon A, and this is nothing but, by general formula, this is equal to B complement intersection A upon P of A. So we need to find out probability of B complement intersection A and probability of A. So these are the things that we are looking for here. So now let us find out the probability of A, that is the probability of the event where the plant dies. So first, this will be equal to 9 by 10, that is nothing but the probability of the probability that Ravi's neighbor remembers to water the plant. So even after watering the plant dies, and that has a probability of 3 by 20. So 9 by 10 into 3 by 20 plus the probability that he forgot to water the plant, 1 by 10, and the plant died, which will be equal to 4 by 5, which is already being given by 4 by 5. So upon addition multiplication, this gives us the value 43 by 200. This is the probability of event A. Now we need to find out the probability of event B complement intersection A. So this is nothing but the probability of BC, which is nothing but is the event probability of the event where Ravi's neighbor forgets to water the plant. So this is nothing but equal to 1 by 10, and since this is an independent event, so the probability of A will be given, and the plant dying, that is given by 4 by 5, and this is nothing but equal to 4 by 50. So therefore P of is nothing but this is equal to 4 by 50 upon 43 by 200, and this is equal to 16 by 43, which is the option C. This is the option. So today we have solved question number 11 from the ISI Mmath question paper of year 2016. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.